Here we have this set today. It's a Samsung 40-inch. As we can see, the TV is not turning on, but we can see the standby light blinking, and that is all it's doing. It's blinking over and over. It will stop and start back blinking again. And that's it again. Sorry for the noise in the background. I'm testing a set, and the processor is hot, and something here is getting very hot. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is go under the microscope and inspect the board. Okay, so here I have the board under the microscope. I've noticed this MOSFET is discolored, especially on this end here. It's looking like it's was overheating or being heated up. Also, what I've realized testing is the processor was getting hot and the MOSFET, right? Also, this is a cap and it looks a little discolored as well. So what I'm gonna do here is test for shorts and see if there's a short on the board. Ground. Let me test the spin. No short. No short here. And there's a short on this cap. About here. There's a short on this cap here. Um, Anywhere else? There's a short here as well. Here as well. There are shorts all over. Okay, that is not a good sign. This cap looks like shorted. Alright, so let me start by removing the first cap. This one here. Let me start by removing that one, and I will remove the next cap that looks bad. Let's rest that at the side there. And test again. Is there still a short on the board? There is. Is this cap touching? Let me check the cap by itself. Let me shift the cap across because the cap is still reading as a short. So let me just remove it. Just put it on the other side. Yes, the cap is shorted. So what I believe happened just now, it was touching this end of the cap. So let me check now. The short is gone. See? So this end of the cap is ground and the short is gone. So the problem is the cap. This cap is shorted. And let me check this cap here because this cap was reading as a short as well and the short is gone. So I think that's the problem. Look at this cap. It's a resistor. Um, so I have a donor board. So let me see if I can get the cap off of that board and replace. Give me a sec. Okay, so this is the donor board here. And where is it? That's the cap there. I want to test this cap as well before I remove it. And the cap is good. Before I do that, let me prepare the pads on this board. And the repair is done. So I can go and test and see if that was the only problem with this board. So here I have the set put back together now and I'm going to test. And we can see the Samsung logo. TV seems to be working and yes, it is working. So yet again, it was another successful repair and we will have another happy customer. So thank you for viewing. Hope you like and subscribe to the channel.